Hey guys, it's Nia Jade and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys some fabric washi tape that I have been working on. I also created some fabric washi tape labels and I want to show you guys those as well. I am considering making small packs of fabric washi tape samples and placing them up for sale on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, please leave a comment, or you can stay tuned for updates of when I've posted them up on my Etsy shop for sale. So yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to share these fabrics with you guys if you're interested. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and I will see you all later.